Welcome and thank you for taking a moment to join me. I'm Dr. Chris Borg, a chiropractor here at Provolution Health, and today we're diving into the culprits behind subluxation. So subluxation formed from three major stressors. These are known as the three T's. So the three T's include traumas, toxins, and thoughts. Trauma refers to both macro trauma and micro trauma. So macro trauma refers to car accidents or slips and falls. Micro traumas refer to repetitive activities such as sitting at a desk for 8 hours. Toxins refer to what we put into our bodies, so consumption of highly processed foods, sugars, pesticides from vegetables and fruit, and sweeteners are highly inflammatory to our body. Thoughts are what most people tend to ignore, so our highly stressful lifestyles get us stuck in a sympathetic state, meaning we're stuck in fight or flight response. When we are constantly in this state, it can alter our hormones and limit our expression of health and life. So these are, however, there's ways of combating the three T's. So by eating well, eating foods that are healthy and organic and don't promote inflammation in the body is key. For example, white meats such as fish offer a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have shown to help lower inflammation in the body. Exercise and staying active, so aerobic exercises like walking, running, or swimming are great for heart health and function, whilst anaerobic exercises like resistance training combat muscle atrophy and bone density decline. Meditation and breathwork, so activities like these help unplug, de-stress, and recenter our thoughts. And most importantly, chiropractic adjustments. So chiropractic adjustments allow your brain and your body to function at their optimal capacity, so you're able to live your life to the fullest. So curious if the three T's may be impacting your quality of health and life? Get in touch with a professionally trained chiropractor at Provolution Health to start realizing your full health potential.